He got a twin brother called
David,
Steve.
sponsored by Nike trainers. David the dog from Wales. Come on, dog from Wales. Come on.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the...
His name's Steve.
Oh.
Hold on. Steve, the snake from Wales. Who let the snakes out?
I'm sponsored by Slim Fast.
And in the middle, we have David, Hendo, Superdog, Slim Fast, sponsored by Heinz Weight Watchers, doing a special for today, showing that fabric can stretch further than you ever could. The man who is also used to flatten the pitches on the odd occasion. Hendo! And to my right, ladies and gentlemen, we have the contender, the Dark Destroyer. The only man who didn't come this weekend because he sold his hotel room for more than he was paying for. The only man who went to the bar because he thought these beers were free for the boat race. The man who is that tight that when he walks, coal drops out of his bottom. Hey! We have Patrick Bombaras.
Who let the dog out?
Oh there!
Are we there?
Oh there!
Are we there?
Oh there!
Are we there?
Oh there!
We there?
Let's get round to drinking.
Just so everybody knows, the reason I didn't come this weekend is I've been very ill.
Yeah, he's lost 2 stone.
You're screwed. Come on, you know you want it.
Wait till I ain't got more anyway.
Sorry?
Hey, hang on.
I'll swap if you want. Works every time.
Patrick, can you go in the middle, please?
Oh, it's like a colour.
Yeah, we want to do a bit of a mix. Looks like a zebra crossing now.
If we're going to do that, I'm a tight head, you can go that side.
Man, I've been a hooker all my life.
There's a hooker in the middle. Selling him today. £2.50. Right. Steve, drop it on your trainers, you'll be alright, son. Come on, the snake. Snakes do that, don't they? And then just like handsome girls.
Are you ready?
Yeah! I'll give you a countdown. 450. 440. No, sorry. On one. We go on one, yeah? 3, 2, 1!
The loser and the winner, I still have a clean shirt.
Did he start when he finished?
Well done, boys. And can I just say, 1 second, one little serious note. I'm sure from all of us. Yeah, won't go for long. I just want to say thank you, Market Harborough, for hosting us today. You've been tremendous hosts. We've had a proper giggle. We love coming somewhere where we can play up a little bit. Yeah, did you walk from there? No. I just wanted to say, thanks guys, we really enjoyed your company, we really enjoyed your hospitality. We had a good crack out there with you coaches, have a good crack with the Welsh team called Gok or somebody, whatever they are. And just go compare. And we just wanted to say thank you very much, and you're all welcome anytime in the Welsh people's space.